Hey guys, it's Earl and Brian here. Today what we're going to do is take a look at our R32 fuel pump relay kit. Now what this is going to do is power your fuel pump with this heavy duty relay directly from your battery. Now what this is going to do is give you the supply that you need for higher amperage pumps like aftermarket pumps, because the factory wiring is just not large enough diameter to carry that current. So we're just going to take a quick look at it, just give you guys an overview. So these are the connections we're going to make in the car. It's completely plug and play. The relay is going to mount on the quarter panel with the ground, and this is your power wire. Now, what we decided to do is put a nice disconnect in the power wire, so this makes it easier to route through your firewall. Now, we have two different versions. We have this long version you're looking at. This is for your battery in the factory location in the engine bay. And we also have a shorter version for people who have mounted their battery in the trunk. I'm going to disconnect the battery lead, and we're going to take a quick look at installation here. So I've already removed the panel here for the fuel pump. So the plug that we're actually going to use here is this 2-wire plug here. Now this is what powers the fuel pump. This other 3-wire plug is for the level gauge, which is a sending unit. So when this installs in the car, this relay is going to mount over here near your Tessa system. Your ground terminal is right over there too. These two wires are going to end up through the grommet. What you're going to do is probably pop this factory grommet out of place, and it's cut here, so you'll be able to slip through. Now, this portion is color-coded to the factory wiring. If you see, it will just plug right in. Then you're going to take your new power wire, and that's going to plug in just like that. Now, this was just a quick overview, but basically the best way to do it would be to remove this grommet, put it through the slice in the side, and then put everything back in place, and it'll go right into the car just like a factory wiring harness would. So that's just a quick overview of the product, and hopefully you guys will like it. Hopefully it's something you can use. For all you guys with high amperage pumps, this is going to be a good solution for you.